got some time tonight, so I thought we'd bring in the water heater and start getting that torn down so we can get the wood boiler started. So we're going to tear this down tonight. I'm just going to do a time-lapse video. But what we're hoping to get is inside here is a big steel tank. We're hoping to get that steel tank out and be able to use that as the burn chamber that'll go inside the big fuel drum that we showed on the last video. So we're going to do time-lapse, just tearing this down, and probably a little bit afterward. So stay tuned. Welcome back. So we got it torn apart, as you can see. Still some foam left on the outside. I still got a couple of junction boxes I got to take care of. You can see here, gotta get that off there yet. I'm gonna have to wait until this thaws. This has been sitting outside for 2 years now, almost. So you guys can actually see right there is all ice. That's got to melt down. So I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna pick up the shop a little bit, put some tools away, pick up all the foam that I just shot everywhere into the shop, and I'm hoping that this is going to be big enough. This one's a little bit smaller for a water heater, and I want to touch on that, guys. I got this water heater for free. I hit up the Craigslist and somebody was getting rid of it, so I took it. So I think this one will be fine, but I think it's going to be a little bit small. I got to do some measurements yet. So we might be building a version 2.0 yet. It's hard to say. But I hope you stay tuned for this build. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to conclude it tonight. And we'll get back at it and start tearing the rest of the fittings off. We're going to have to plug some of the opening. So we're going to actually have to cut one end of it open. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a fun project. It's going to take a little while. And hope you guys will like, subscribe, and share with anybody that you think will be interested. And we're going to try and roll the videos out a little bit more frequently now.